Hi everyone! Good afternoon or Naimbag nga malem and happy Easter Sunday. For our Learn Ilocano video, let's start learning pests and insects in Ilocano. So let's start. Let's start with mosquito. Mosquito in Ilocano is lamok. Lamok. Mok. Lamok. Next, a cockroach in Ilocano is ipis. 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 A cricket is kuryat. 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 Termite in Ilocano is anay. 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 And last one, fly is ngilaw. Ngilaw. Law. Law. Ngilaw. Ngilaw. Those are our 5 insects and pests in Ilocano as a start, and more on the next video. For now, let's have a review. For our review, let's start with cricket or kuryat. Kuryat. And then we have the termite or anay. 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 And cockroach in Ilocano is ipis. 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 Fly, ngilaw. Ngilaw. And last one, mosquito or lamok. Lamok. So, those are the 5 insects and pests for our Learn Ilocano, and a lot more on the next video. Okay, bye! Happy Easter!